Hi, it's Table Cubes, and today I'm going to be solving a Rubik Cube with my feet. Okay, so I'm just going to scramble up the cube here. I'm probably going to get my personal best since I haven't done feet in like months. So, I have the cube all scrambled up. You can probably see the time just right here or something. Yeah, I'll edit it right there. So, ready, set. Oh, I need to inspect, even though it won't really matter because I'm not very efficient at feet solving anyway. Okay, I think I got, no, that doesn't count as a DNF. Usually I think you'd get like a DNF. Okay, I'm just gonna start the timer. Okay, start the time. No, I'm gonna start the timer right now. Okay, I have a basic plan of what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do like sort of like a free thought method here. There we go. I think I have one. Yeah, I have one pair built. I'm gonna place it here. I think that sets me up for the second pair to be pretty easy. Just put that in there. I'm actually doing surprisingly good at this. Wow. Oh, that was sort of a mess up. Oh yes, I see an easy pair. I see two easy pairs. Okay. Oh, this is almost definitely going to be personal best because I have already two set up pairs. Wow, if only this were like a regular, normal solve, I would get like sub 15. I'm not really expecting the cube to go out of frame at all. I'm just gonna go like this, insert it this way. Oh, it's already been almost 2 minutes. Wow. I'm just gonna put in this last pair. My god, I remember my old personal best is like 12 minutes. I forget which way this pair was set up from. I think it's good now. Like this. Like this. There we go. Oh, what an easy OL. Okay. Wow, I'm actually doing surprisingly good at this. If this is a T perm, no, it's not it's a G perm. Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 look for this because I'm not very confident with G perms on OH or feet. Okay. Okay. Anyway, this is just basically gonna be personal best now. Like it's almost a guarantee because it's only been 3 minutes in, like 3.5 minutes. Oh god, I might have messed up. No. Okay. Okay, I think I know where I'm going with this. Even if I messed up last layer, I'm almost certain that this is gonna be DB anyways. That's not that huge a deal. Oh, okay, I didn't mess up. Now I have new perm. So, I'm just going to do beginner's message version because that's probably the way I'm most familiar with, at least for feet and stuff. I can do like an LU version with two-handed solving, but with feet, L moves are not good. So, I think I can sub 5 this. I go up, this way, and down, and I stop the timer. Okay, that's 4 minutes, 40 seconds, and, okay, 4 minutes, 40.11 seconds. That was really good for me. That's definitely personal best. I beat it by, like, 3 times. It's like my old was 12, and now I knew it was, like, 4. So it's, like, 3 times faster, so that was an insane improvement. I think I can improve really quickly at feet. Anyway, I might be able to, like, actually get good at it. So, yeah. This was actually the first time on video, and the first time in a few months that I did it, and that I wasn't using a big cube, like my old feet main was this one. But it broke because I tried to fix a pop with my feet, like this, and put it back in. Well, I should have just DNF'd it, because now it's broken. So I'm using this one. I think it's a lot more stable, and it won't, like, corner twist or pop. That's very good for, like, feet. So, that's basically the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video.